In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade to the ElevenLabs free plan. This is a really straightforward process, so if you're looking to adjust your subscription, you're in the right place. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out and allows me to create more great content for you. Now let's dive right in. The first step you need to take is to log into your ElevenLabs account. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser, navigate to the ElevenLabs website, and enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be ready to make changes to your account settings. The next step is to open your settings. To do this, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a little profile icon. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to enter the settings page. Now that you're in the Settings section, you will want to manage your subscription. Scroll down a bit until you find your current plan details. Usually it will show what plan you are currently on, as well as some options related to subscription management. Look for the button that says Manage Subscription. Click on that to proceed. Next up is choosing a lower plan. Once you've clicked on Manage Subscription, you'll be taken to a page that lists the available subscription tiers. Take a moment to browse through these options. You're likely looking for a plan that's more budget-friendly, like the starter plan, or perhaps even the free plan itself, depending on your needs. After you've found the plan you want to move to, select that option. Once you've clicked on your desired plan, the website will sometimes ask you to confirm that this is the plan you really want to switch to. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you're making an informed decision. Once you've confirmed, you will usually need to click Continue or a similar button. This will guide you through the last steps. The platform might have you review the downgrade details one final time. It's always a good idea to double-check that you have selected the correct plan. Finally, the last step is to confirm the downgrade. You should see a button that says something like Confirm or Complete to finalize your decision. Click on that and voila! You should receive a confirmation message that your subscription has been successfully changed. And that's it. You've now successfully downgraded to the ElevenLabs free plan. This can be a great way to save some money while still enjoying the services you need. If you ever find yourself needing to upgrade again in the future, the steps are pretty much the same but in reverse, so keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. I appreciate your support, and I'm here to help you with more tips and tricks in the future. See you in the next video.